Guys, what's up and welcome to my 11-minute 11-line abs workout part 2, the second workout in a 3-part abs series focused on getting those 11-line K-pop abs. This workout is actually a part of my 11-day 11-line K-pop abs challenge, which you can find a link in the description down below, free and available to everyone, as well as a full 11-day meal plan schedule to really tone up those abs, exclusive to VIP patrons on my Patreon, also linked in the description down below. Alright, this workout has 11 exercises in total for 11 minutes. We have 40 seconds on, followed by 20 seconds off. Let's get started. For our first move, you're going to twist your body up into crunches. Up next, we have Russian twist. Make sure to keep your core engaged through every single movement. Up next, you're gonna lie flat on your back and raise your hands and legs for a hollow body hold. And now you're gonna rise up into a V-hold.
Say what? I'm not sorry, you are. I don't even care. I'm sorry, I really don't care. Let's kill this love.
Next, you're gonna get in a side plank on your left arm and thread the needle with your right.
How we get down? You think you're big boy, throwing 3 stacks. I'ma show you what a ball, you a mismatch. I got it, y'all your body, don't stop. 기다려 기자부터 시작이래. 검은 티, 이제 넌 팬티 딱진 머리. 난 상관없지, 검은 티, 이제 넌 팬티 딱진 머리. 내가 하면
Alright, next up, we're gonna plank on that right arm now and thread the needle with your left. Now we're gonna lie back down on the mat for some bicycles. Awesome job, guys. Keep pushing. We are halfway done with the workout. Next up, we have some crunch variations, alternating between a straight leg toe touch and a bent leg toe touch, starting with your left leg. And now you're gonna switch to the right leg. Next up, we have some oblique V-ups starting from the right side. For additional support, you can extend your left arm.
사계절이 와 그리고 또 떠나 내 겨울을 주고 또 여름도 주었다.
그럼 난 정말 누구일까?
You're doing amazing, guys. Keep going. Next up, we have the oblique V-ups on the left side.
뭐해라는 두 글자에 네가 보고 싶어 날 속맘에 담아 내게 묶여버린 채로 안돼 그만해 꽃은 넣어줘 그냥 좀 바람이 불게 놔줘 It's okay, okay 그림자가 잠긴 듯 피면 see It's okay, okay I'm okay, I'm okay 한번 동요한 빌레지 오늘 그 스타일을 보면
Alright, now we're going back to the basics with some mountain climbers.
기다리고 있을지
Final move, guys. You got this. Get up into a high plank for some plank jacks. Awesome job, guys. Workout complete. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Be sure to check out the rest of my 11-day, 11-line K-pop abs challenge linked in the description below, as well as the full diet and meal plan on Patreon right here, complete with full recipes and calorie counts. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.